Hello everyone, welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Friday the 13th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen now, and every so often you get these little fundamental news events or announcements or news leaks that will move a currency, and yesterday we had that from the BOJ, Bank of Japan. There was a suggestion that quantitative easing was maybe not necessarily going to be pushed further, deeming to be counterproductive. Now that sharply induced a yen strengthening, and we had this nice bull run that had been progressing from this bull flag that hit the target, and then bang, massive correction. That was the news. It fell 150 pips actually, and which subsequently was retraced, but then fell away again. Now, interesting that we've almost entirely unwound back to that 118.30 break key support, and that is very interesting because that is a key level, and was also a drags it back to the bottom of that support, which now is the key level that needs to stay in place. Now, also interesting, I will zoom in slightly here, is the fact that the rebound that we've had overnight has found resistance at 119.20, or just underneath it, a couple of pips underneath it. But that 119.20 was basically this old rally high that we had as part of the bull flag. So that is obviously a resistance line here now. So interesting that that's held overnight. So that would need to be where the bulls would need to get above in order to start to unwind some of this move. But this arguable change of stance by the BOJ could well induce further correction in this dollar yen chart. So it makes this technical trading a little bit dodgy in the near term, you could argue, but I think I'd be preferred to just stand aside a little bit and just wait to see how this one settles down, because obviously this support at 1830, if that starts to break down, then yes, you're going to start to move back down towards back down towards the lows of this trading band again in the 117s. But certainly at the moment that support is held, but it looks like once again the momentum has turned a little bit more negative near term, and you could see some further downside pressure. Obviously you've got these reaction highs which come in at lower levels, so that 119.20 mark needs to be broken to the upside to start to negate that whole sequence, and it'll be interesting to see if that happens today. It's only about 30-40 pips away from that now, but still that would be quite a significant break of this corrective phase if it were to happen. So subsequently I think just stand aside and just see how this one really develops, because it's still settling down from this news from the BOJ, but as I said, if it breaks below 1830, then I think it would continue the correction probably back towards the low 117s. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today, and I will speak to you later.